I'm not. I'm gonna have to still light it too. I can't hold both and light it. Okay.
Wait, are we gonna throw it up?
Yeah, because you're gonna have to throw it. So you're gonna have to hold it with one hand, light it with one hand.
Let's go over here because I don't want to hit the pool.
Okay, so I'm gonna record. You're gonna hold. We're both gonna light, and you're gonna throw it up.
Okay.
Yeah, set it up or something. Here, I'll tell you if it's good or not.
Yeah, it's good.
No, just go get in place, and I'll set it up.
Okay, ready?
I can't even see you. Oh wait.
Doesn't matter. You don't have to see me.
I do not even know. Does that look like it's on you? Wait. Okay, I can see you. Oh, it's recording.
Yeah. Alright. Go.
Okay, ready?
Oh.
Wait. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Wait. Oh no!
Dude, if that thing starts a fire, we're fucked.
We're fine.
Dude, Spencer!